Check out these gorgeous iridescent self-watering globes. They were gifted to me in exchange for my review. As you see, this is what came in the box. You have 6 globes in each, the smaller and the larger size. They're so easy to fill up. You just fill
You're
up
able to get that
through
really
the
well.
tube. And if you do need to clean the tube out, it does come with the dowel, which is used to poke the ground in the pot where you're putting the globe. And it's super simple. And now you have it self-watering. And all you have to do is fill up the globe. Same concept as the bigger globes. The smaller ones contain a dowel that will help. And then you just push it down a little bit. Take your globe. There we go. It's inside and it is watering your plant automatically. Not only do these hydrate, they also look so stunning and a rainbow touch to every plant setup. So if you're looking for a great self-watering plant globe, these are the ones for you. Such a great pop of color in my space.